Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be covering square roots and cube roots. We will take a look at what both square roots and cube roots are. The best way to do this is to jump right into our example, starting with number 1 where we have a 6 and a 36. We are going to start by taking a look at square roots for numbers 1 and 2, and then we will move to cube roots for numbers 3 and 4. Now, in order to understand square root, we are going to start by looking at squaring a number. For example, let's do 6 squared. Now, 6 squared will equal 36. So, like this. 6 squared will equal 36. Remember, squaring a number means to multiply it by itself. So, 6 squared equals 6 times 6. So, now the square root of a number is the inverse or opposite of squaring a number. We are going in reverse of squaring a number, so to speak. When it comes to square root, we need to think what number multiplied by itself will equal the number under the root symbol. So, now we know this is 6 squared, and basically the square root of 36 will be 6. So now we can do the same thing with this. What number multiplied by itself will be 49? We know 7 times 7 equals 49. So our square root of 49 is 7. This will be our final answer of the first example of the square root. Okay, now I gave you a brief explanation of square roots. We're going to move over to cube roots. So, cube roots are a bit different because instead of squared, we cubed them. So, 4 cubed, or to the power of 3, but officially you can say cubed, is 64. And cubed means almost the same thing as squared, but you can see a 3, so cubed means to multiply the number by itself 3 times. So cubed, 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16 times 4 equals 64. So 4 cubed is 64. Now, just like this one, I will show you with this one as well. I told you 6 will be the square root of 36. Like this. Because 6 times 6 equals 36. Now, we can do the same thing with cube roots. Like this. 64. Like this. So 4 will be the cubed root of 64. Because 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Now, we can do the exact same thing for 27. For the cubed root of 27. Something times itself 3 times will equal 27. We just have to figure out what that number is. So, we know that 3 times 3 times 3 will equal 27. Because 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 times 3 equals 27. So our answer to the fourth example will be 3. Now, I hope you guys understand it now. This was the video of square roots and cube roots. I have made it very simple for you guys. If you guys want another video doing like harder examples to master it. I can make the video, just ask them in the comments, and hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mr. Mathz.